In 1969, the motorcycle world changed forever. A machine emerged from Japan that would shake the very foundations of the industry. Powerful, affordable, and reliable. This is the story of the Honda CB750, the world's first superbike. The 1960s motorcycle scene was dominated by British brands, Triumph, Norton, BSA. Fast bikes, yes, but not always reliable. Honda had already made a name with small bikes like the Super Cub, but they were about to go big. So Ichiro Honda wanted to build a four-cylinder machine for the masses, something previously reserved for exotic Italian or race bikes. Enter the CB750. What made the CB750 so revolutionary? Let's break it down. 736 cubic centimeter inline-four engine, smooth, powerful, and reliable. 68 horsepower, impressive for its time, with a top speed over 120 miles per hour. Front disc brake, a first on a mass-market motorcycle. Electric start, no more kick-starting nightmares. It wasn't just fast, it was refined, and it didn't leak oil all over your driveway. Riders couldn't believe they were getting all this for under $1,500. The CB750 sent shockwaves through the motorcycle world. Overnight, British manufacturers looked dated. By the mid-70s, many were out of business or struggling to keep up. Magazines called it the bike of the century. It won races, toured continents, and became a bestseller. Over 400,000 units sold in its first decade. Today, the CB750 is a collector's dream. Its simple, solid design makes it a favorite for restorers and custom builders alike. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of engineering excellence, of freedom, of a new era in motorcycling. From the original K0 in 1969 to later models in the late 70s and 80s, the CB750 evolved, but the soul remained the same. So what's it like to ride a CB750 today? Smooth, comfortable, and surprisingly quick. The engine hums, the gears shift with precision, and the ride, it still feels special. You feel every bit of its history under you. It's not just transportation, it's time travel. The Honda CB750 didn't just rewrite the rules, it made the rule book. A motorcycle that didn't just define a generation, it created one.